Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. This saves time. Plug a USB cable or join the same Wi-Fi, then install the phone webcam app and the Chromebook client. Once done, grant camera and microphone permissions on the phone and Chromebook. This is required for video and audio. Make sure the phone stays awake. Set screen timeout to a long interval. If using USB, enable USB tethering on the phone because it creates a stable link and avoids Wi-Fi jitter. Next, open the phone app and the Chromebook client and pair them. You will usually tap the device name to connect. Select an appropriate resolution, 720p for lower bandwidth, 1080p if your hardware supports it, and set frame rate to 30 FPS for smooth motion. Once connected, choose USB for the most reliable feed or Wi-Fi if you need mobility. Then test the preview in the Chromebook camera settings so you can see framing and exposure before joining any call. Finish by mounting the phone and selecting front or back camera, then open your meeting app and pick the phone as the camera and microphone. If the camera doesn't appear, restart the browser or Chromebook and reselect the device. This resets permissions. Make sure no other app is holding the camera. If problems persist, switch to USB mode and reinstall the client app or drivers. This often fixes driver conflicts. Finally, once stable, lock focus and exposure so the image won't jump.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.